brother?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah,
5 of you are sitting in the back seat. Okay.
We all want to ride.
Keep me posted.
I'll take the first shift. Should I take the first shift?
Where's
Your
that?
keys are on the dash.
Oh, good. I'd hate to have you leave for the weekend and I'd be stuck here.
It's awfully cold. I wish one of you guys would have told me that. I brought my clothes.
I told you the temperature is going to be
Holy
45
crowley.
tomorrow.
I guess us old guys are in the front, Rick.
Florida?
Up there, 45.
45.
We're not going to Florida.
Maybe not, Dad.
40
We're going to
Celsius?
Florida, are we?
Yeah, we got free mileage.
Okay. Is that one of them electrical doors?
It is.
You guys. No, that's not
So it begins. Let's go.
We'll send you pictures.
No, we won't.
We'll send you a bail post.
We're going.
Yeah,
We don't
right.
have
We
maps.
don't need a map.
We don't need no stinking